The Blue Line G and 2 TriTech Motion Detectors use a combination of passive infrared and microwave Doppler radar detection with advanced signal processing. The pet-friendly models generate alarms for human intruders without generating false alarms for pets. These small, unobtrusive detectors are simple to install and do not need field adjustments. Functions: First Step Processing, FSP. First Step Processing, FSP, almost instantly responds to human targets without producing false alarms from other sources. FSP adjusts the detector's sensitivity based on signal amplitude, polarity, slope, and timing. This eliminates the need for the installer to select the sensitivity level, thus improving ease of installation and reliability. Pet-friendly selectivity WP models only. The installer can turn pet immunity on or off based upon application requirements. When pet immunity is turned off, the detector provides superior catch performance identical to the non-pet models. When pet immunity is turned on, the detector can distinguish between signals caused by humans and signals caused by pets. It ignores signals caused by one or two pets up to 45 kilograms, 100 pounds, or numerous rodents.